In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books, your go-to solution for accounting needs. Whether you're adjusting for a return or correcting a payment, creating a vendor credit is a quick and essential process that helps maintain your records accurately. Let's dive in and clear up any uncertainties you might have. First, navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub of your accounting activity in Zoho Books. It gives you a snapshot of your finances, allowing you to manage your cash flow, expenses, and so much more. Once you're there, move your cursor over to the Purchases section. This is where you'll handle all transactions related to expenditures, including vendor credits, bills, and purchase orders. Clicking on Purchases will open a menu with various options. Next, choose Vendor Credits from this menu. Vendor credits are essentially credits you receive from vendors, similar to a store credit. They are useful for future purchases or adjustments. Clicking on Vendor Credits will open a new page dedicated to managing these transactions. Now, look for the option that says Create Vendor Credits. Clicking this button initiates the process of generating a new vendor credit. This part is crucial because it sets the foundation for inputting all necessary details of your vendor credit. Select the vendor for whom you are creating this credit. If your vendor list is extensive, Zoho Books provides a handy search bar to quickly filter through names. Ensuring you have the correct vendor is imperative to accurately keep track of all your financial dealings. Entering the wrong vendor could lead to confusion and discrepancies in your accounting. Following this, you need to type in the credit note number. Each credit note should have a unique identifier, allowing you to efficiently trace transactions back if issues arise or simply for record-keeping purposes. The subsequent step involves selecting the item or service for which the credit is being issued. This ensures that the credit is applied accurately against the corresponding purchase, reflecting your records appropriately. This step may require you to check your previous transaction details just to be certain that this credit applies to the right purchase or order. Lastly, once you've filled in all the necessary details, look for the Save as Open option. Clicking this saves your work and marks the vendor credit as open, meaning it will be applied the next time you place an order or adjust a bill with this vendor. Saving it as open keeps it active in your system, ready to be utilized in future transactions. And that's it. You've successfully created a vendor credit in Zoho Books. This straightforward process ensures your accounting stays accurate and up to date. Remember, keeping diligent records helps streamline financial management, making tasks smoother and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on mastering Zoho Books.